Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to contact the customer service in the TR application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the two lines at the top of the page on the left, and then click on the Help and Safety button, and then click on the Help Center button. And here, as you can see, you can ask anything that you want to know, or you can share your feedback. You can either search for help, there are suggested articles, and you can also start a conversation by sending them a message, and as you can see, they usually reply within a few minutes. So just click on the Send Message button, and here you can select the topic of your problem, and then they will contact you. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.